time of year we see a lot of patients with hand problems. It's dry, it's cracked. The winter months really take a toll. What we want to do is check the hands out, see if we can make some good recommendations. Come on with me, we'll take a look. Hi.
Hi.
How are things?
Okay.
Good, good. Let's see these hands.
Okay.
So often we see these cuticles, they take a beating in the winter months. It becomes so important to moisturize these areas.
Right.
What you have here is this dry skin and the cuticle gets frayed. And when that does, you lose your weather stripping. Lose the weather stripping, things move in, whether it be fungus, bacteria, etc. So the water's the enemy. Make sure you're protecting your hands. Cotton-lined rubber gloves are important, and moisturizing with the right moisturizer. Intuitively, I think you probably know to do that. What do you use typically on the hands?
I've been using a cuticle oil.
Okay.
And then from Bed Bath & Beyond, I had a cucumber. Well, some of their
Sounds
products.
lovely. Cucumber, huh?
Yeah.
Throw it out.
Yeah.
You need a good moisturizer, and you need something that's going to be thick but not too greasy for you, and you have to be consistent with it.
Okay.
So people do that. They wait till they get, dry and cracked to the point where it's so bad, and then they need to, come in and get the help. Whereas if you just maintain with the moisturizer alone, it would make all the difference in the world.
Could a manicure have pores in it?
It can irritate the cuticle, especially if they're working that cuticle. So tell them, hands off the cuticle.
You haven't been there since.
Leave it be. People want to dig at that, and a lot of people want that removed. Moisturize, that'll stop it from being frayed, and should be fine. But don't let them manipulate that cuticle. That's the message there.
Moisturizer is appropriate.
There's something called Lipocar Balm we carried here. Okay, and it has all the things we talked about. It's not greasy, it's thick enough, should work wonders for you. Chad, this is classic hand dermatitis. And what I mean by that is a rash on the hands aggravated by frequent washing, exposure to water, detergents, and the harshness of the winter months. So come on in here, let's take a look at her hands. Chad, come on in here and take a look at this. This is the essence of this hand dermatitis, a real common condition in the winter months. And you can see the cuticle is gone, that sealant that protects the nail, and also too these frayed edges and even what we call a fissure or split. Those are painful. We've all been there. So by using a good moisturizer, by protecting the hands with cotton-lined rubber gloves, we can really make a difference here. It's patient education, again, very important. We've been moisturizing before, but maybe not enough and not with the right moisturizer. So let's add the right moisturizer, let's be consistent, and this should clear up very nicely for us. Good.